Hi everyone, this is Nick Lucy from Nest Advisory. I'm here today with Drew Clegg, who is the New South Wales and ACT BDM from Pepper Money.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming on.
No worries.
So today we're just talking about some alternatives to lending, what sort of options are available when you might find it difficult to get a loan. So Drew, first question. So what options do people have when they get turned down for a loan?
Yeah, look, I think the biggest issue is people don't get given an option when they are told no. There's plenty of options out there for clients. Main thing is to understand that there's people like Pepper that can offer non-conforming solutions. So just because you don't fit the major bank's profile doesn't mean that we can't help you. So it's important that you reach out to your broker, Nick in this instance, and you can obviously reach out to myself as a BDM and we can workshop that scenario and try and come up with something that helps the customer.
Okay. So next question, so how exactly do you help customers like that?
Yeah, so we take a common sense approach to all the applications we take. We know how to assess this information. We don't score customers, so there's no sort of modelling that they have to fit. And we take a lot of income types that most lenders don't. 100% of overtime and bonuses and commission. People earn money differently today than they did sort of 10 years ago. So we need to, they generally sometimes need someone with a common sense approach to that, and Pepper would be the person that we want to.
Okay, so maybe if you can give us an example, maybe so someone who might be self-employed, maybe only been self-employed for 1 year or has a second job. So what sort of things can Pepper do over other lenders that can help with that?
The third option is quite a pivotal one. We see a lot of clients that again changing the way they work. So they may have been PAYG for say 10 years working for somebody, and then they all of a sudden decide to take up a contract through their own ABN. So if you've ever done that before, it's pretty common that those type of applicants get turned down by a bank because they don't have 2 years tax returns. At Pepper, we can look at bank statements or BAS statements so we can verify the client's income. And that can give the client, well, they still have a goal at that time, or they want to purchase something, and they shouldn't have to wait just because they don't meet the policy. So we can look at different ways to verify, get them into the loan in the house that they want, and then they can transition through that process later on.
Okay. And can you leave us with a top tip?
Look, the biggest thing about non-conforming, or what we do at Pepper, is understanding the customer. So if you have a scenario that you've been told no on, reach out to Nick. We can go through it with you, and he can then communicate that with myself, and we can come up with something knowing all the information, get you into the property you need, and say a yes instead of a no.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you. Cheers.